Hello guys, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel and welcome back to this YouTube channel Mugi Craft, where we create and beautify. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to make a key holder in form of a heart. Yes, a heart key holder. And please guys, watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends and families guys. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe guys. So without wasting time, let's start. Here we are guys. Yes, so we have our materials with us here. Hope you can see them. Yeah, so here we shall have our stop beads with us. You can call them diamond beads. Yeah, size 11. This is a big size. Yeah, then we shall also have our string, which is 0.80 millimeters. Hope you can see it, 0.80. Yeah, then we shall also have our key metal here. You can call it a keychain as well. Yeah, for holding the keys. Yeah, so then finally we shall also have our cutter for cutting off the unwanted parts of the string. Yeah, for perfect finishing. So the first step is we're going to first get part of our string. We are going to first get part of our string. Hope you can see. Yeah, then we bring the beads closer that we are going to be using. So for this particular type of key holder, yeah, in form of a heart, we shall need 28 beads. Me, I've gotten more than 28. Yeah, but you only need 28 beads to make a full finished key holder. Yeah, so the first step, what we're going to do now, you're going to first bring your keychain, yeah, or your key metal. Yeah, then you're going to put it into the string like this. Hope you can see. So you first put your key metal into the string like that. Yeah, so after putting it into the string, you need 4 beads. So you're going to get 4 beads. Hope you can see. These are 4 beads. Yeah, so you're going to put 2 beads in one side of the string. 2 beads in one side of the string, like that. Then you get 1 bead in the other side of the string as well. Yeah, so these are 3 beads. Then you're going to get the 4th bead. This one, you're going to get the 4th bead. It's the one you're going to tie with. The one you're going to tie with like this. Then you pull. Then you pull like this. So this is how it becomes after pulling. This is how it becomes after pulling. Yeah, so after that we are going to continue the process. So we shall need 3 more beads again. So you're going to get 3 more beads. You're going to get 3 beads. Yeah, whereby you put 2 beads into your right hand side string. So you can either use your right hand side string or your left hand side string. So you first put 2 beads into your right hand string like that. Yeah, so after putting 2 beads, then you are going to tie with 1 bead. You're going to tie with 1 bead, with the 3rd bead like this. Then you pull like this. So when you pull, the strings face upward. Yeah, so after that, now we are going to get 3 more beads. We are going to get 3 more beads. Yeah, then to continue our process. So this time around we are going to balance both strings. So whereby we are going to put 1 bead into one side of the string, then the other side of the string again we put another bead like this. Yeah, then we get the 3rd bead. It's the one you're going to tie with. It's the one you're going to tie with like this. So you make sure you fix your beads, so like this. So after pulling, hope you can see it becomes this way, it gets this shape. Yeah, so we've balanced both sides of the string. So whereby we put 1 bead into the right hand side, then the other bead into the left hand side, then we ended up tying with the 3rd bead. So right now the next step, what you're going to be doing now, we are going to now consider one side of the string, which is the right hand side. Yeah, we are going to again get 3 beads. Yeah, 3 beads like this. So we put 2 beads into the right hand side of the string, then we tie with the 3rd bead. Let me show you. Then we are going to tie with the 3rd bead. We're going to tie with the 3rd bead like this. Hope you can see now. So you make sure it's facing the other side. So hope you can see now we've tied with 1 bead. Yeah, hope you can see the strings are facing this side, are facing me this side. Yeah, so we've tied going this side. So what you're going to do now next, we are going to bend a little bit. You're going to bend a little bit this knot here that you've tied with the 4 beads pattern. You're going to bend it a little bit. So why do we bend it? We bend it so that it can facilitate this string here downward enter into this next bead here. So after bending it this way, you're going to get this lower string here on my right hand side. This lower string enter into this next bead, like this. Then you pull and you pull. Yes, then from there, after doing that, after putting it into the next bead, you're going to have 2 beads that you're going to be tying with. So you're going to put 1 bead first into the string, then you get the other bead that you're going to be tying with. So you're going to be tying with the other bead, then you insert both strings into 1 bead, then you pull, then you pull, then you pull like this. So after pulling, it's going to give you this shape here. So don't get scared. So what we're going to do now, we are going to get this same string, go into the next bead, enter into this next bead on the other side. So you're going to adjust it a little bit so that you can put the string in. So then you pull, you try to pull. Yeah, so after that, now you're going to get 2 beads again. You're going to first put 1 bead into this upper string facing upward, you can see it. Yeah, then we get the other bead. It's the one you're going to be tying with. You're going to be tying with 1 bead. We pull. We make sure you pull. Yeah, so after pulling, now we are going to get this. After pulling, we are going to get this lower string again. Get into the next bead. Get into the next bead. Get into the next bead like this. Then you pull. Yeah, so after that, you get 2 beads again. You get 2 beads again. You're going to first put 1 bead into the upper string like that. Then you get another bead. It's the one you'll be tying with. So you'll be tying with the 2nd bead like this. Then you pull. Then you pull like that. So you continue the same process. Hope you can see it's giving us this upper shape of the heart. Yeah, so then you get your string, the same lower string, into the next bead like this. Hope you can see, to the next bead. Yeah, then you continue, you get 2 beads. So you're going to tie with 2 beads. So you're going to first put 1 bead into the string, then you get another bead. It's the one you'll be tying with. So you'll be tying with another bead like this, then you pull, then you pull. Yeah, so you continue the same process. You get a string, you put the next bead, then you get 2 beads. You first put 1 bead, then you tie with another one, as I'm going to show you here. Yeah, and in case you missed the previous video, please, you can go back and check on it. Yeah, because you'll be missing a lot if you miss it out. Yeah, so it's better you go back and watch it so that you learn how to make a round table mat. Yeah, so you can just check, you can either check the link in the description or in the comment section. You check the link for the previous video, yeah, and be able to learn more. Yeah, so guys, we're continuing. So here we've put the string into the next bead. So what you're going to do now, you get 2 beads. You first put 1 bead into the string, then you get another bead. It's the one you'll be tying with. You pull. Yeah, so after pulling, here you will reach at the end part of it, yeah, of our round. So what we're going to do now, we are going to get this lower string, the same string down here that has been going through these other beads. To continue the same process, you enter into the next bead. Hope you can see. After entering into this next bead, now you're going to make the same string go upward into this upper bead here. You're going to make this string go upward like this, then you pull. So after reaching this side upward like that, you're going to now get one bead to fill up this gap here in between the beads. So we just need one bead like this. It's the one we'll be tying with. One bead like this, then we pull, and we pull like this. So hope you can see. So this we've reached so far. So what we are going to do now, we are going to fill up this space here up here, so that it can be like this side down. But so far you can see the shape, it's already coming out. So what we're going to do now, we are now going to make the last finishing as we are continuing. So what you're going to do now, you're going to get this string here on your right hand side. So this same string, it's going to enter into this bead here, this next bead like this. So after entering there, it's going to come up again, this same string. It's going to enter again into this other string as well, like this. Yes, so that you can have these three beads here. Then that means you only need one bead to make the 4 beads knot. So what you're going to do now, you're only going to get one bead and tie with it directly. You're going to tie with it directly like this. Then you pull. Hope you can see now how it's becoming. Then you pull. Yeah, so after pulling, now you're going to get this other side of the string as well. This other side. So we're twisting the sides. So you're going to get this side of the string. Yeah. Again as well, the opposite side of the string to enter into this next bead here next to it. Then it also goes into this other bead here as well. Then you pull. Yeah, so after that, now you're again going to get one bead again, yeah, that you'll be tying with. So you'll be tying with this one bead again like this. Then you pull. When you pull like this, hope you can see. So after pulling, hope you can see now it's now finished. Now the only thing remaining now, we are going to tighten our key holder by making the strings go through the beads. But before you get your string through any other bead, you're going to first make the string pass through these next beads here, so that you can join the beads together like this. Yes, then you make these two strings go through this one bead here in the middle. So they're going to go through this one bead here. So you get another side of the string, get through this one bead, then you pull, make sure you pull. Yeah, then from there, then you can try to get your string go through the different beads to make it more firm. Yeah, and tighten it. Yeah, so guys, hope you in case you haven't understood any step, please you can comment. Let me know in your comments. And in case you'd want to learn more, please comment so that I can know what you really want. And you can replay this video as many times as you want, so that you can be able to understand better. Yeah, so from there we're just going to cut off now the unwanted parts, these unwanted parts of the strings. Our piece is already done. So what you do now, you bring in your cutter now this time. So you cut off one side, then again you cut off the other side as well, side of the string as well, so you can get off your parts that you've cut. Yeah, so here we go, we're done with our piece. Hope you can see it's beautiful, right? But hope you can see the shape of the heart here. Yeah, then we have our cone here. Yeah, so hope you can see. So, and you can make this into different colors of your choice. So you can choose any color of your choice and make these your amazing pieces. So you can choose any color of your choice. You can see. Yeah, so these are our key holders for today. Yeah, so hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video, guys, where we are from making a heart key holder. Yeah, a key holder in form of heart. You can see they're in different colors, guys. So, and in case you'd want to learn more about key holders in form of a heart, please let me know in your comments. Please comment so that I can know what you really want, guys. And in case you'd want to reach out to me, please, you can follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook as Moge Craft, guys, and we'll get in touch together, guys. And please, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing videos. So till next time, ciao ciao.